So perfect blue skies, almost no wind, beautiful yellow sunshine. These are conditions for the beautiful game. At least that is how it should be. The backdrop could not be any more idyllic. The players are with us now. The crowd is in good number and in shirt-sleeve order. It is lovely to be able to breathe fresh air without having to wrap oneself up to the gills and simply to turn up and to enjoy a match that matters to so many. This must be amongst the favoured arenas of supporters all over the world. It really does have a very special feel to it. Just joining us, we are already on the way. It's a promising ball. Accusatory stare there tells the whole story.
Quality deserted them when they really needed it.
And it's Azam. Mbappe. Well played, he saw that coming. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Going through. Cruyff. Goes for it. Decent strike, kept it fizzing low.
I actually like to see that in shots at goal when there's a noticeable effort to get over the ball and keep it down.
Neymar gets it back. And it's Azam. Mbappe. Marcos Alonso is the guilty party there. Very decent attempt. Mbappe. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Loose ball. Who's going to get there? The referee's awarded a free kick. Sergio Ramos tries a pass forward. Offside that time. We sit high. Cruyff. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! It's there! And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Now that's what I call finishing, right in the corner. He knew instinctively who was where and didn't need to waste any time weighing things up. That's a cracking goal.
Deadlock broken. It's 1-0.
Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do.
Saka. It's Cristiano Ronaldo. Played out to the right. He's got away. Saka. He's made sure that won't get through. No way through there. Here it comes. Mbappe going through. Room for a shot. Cleared without complication. Shot star ball! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
The referee's had a look, and he's blown his whistle for half-time. There we are, off they go for half-time. The breakthrough did indeed come in the first half, but there has only been that one goal. It is very, very tight.
Well, they showed glimpses of some wonderful football to go in with the lead at half-time, and that's definitely pleased the fans. I think they'll be looking to keep this intensity up now in the second half.
Leading 1-0 at the break. So off we go once more.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it from here, we'll see.
Batistuta. Cristiano Ronaldo. Cruyff needed to come up with a better ball.
Oh, that just required a bit more oomph to reach its target. I wouldn't fancy playing up front in these circumstances, to be honest. There's absolutely no supply.
Mbappe. It's Batistuta. Good ball. He's had a go! He scored! Well, he was never going to miss from there. So much to aim at.
Well, considering he has a bit of a shoot-on-sight policy, he was the one player that should have been picked up then. It was both careless and costly from where I'm sitting.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Yeah, it's a very good contest with two very good sides, and with such great individual talent on show, it could go either way.
That's not going to make it. Taringnya. Promising move that. Good inroads into enemy territory, but no joy. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. De Bruyne. He's made certain that won't get through. It's Batistuta. Over to the left. Batistuta. Defenders on the back foot. Now it's Neymar. He's left his man. Can he put it away? Really well taken goal. And they've got their lead back. Ronaldo versus the keeper, and only one winner.
Yeah, he always had the measure of the keeper, and there was very little doubt as to how this was going to end up.
So we have a breakthrough.
It's so often the case with goal scorers, little influence, and all of a sudden, bang.
It's Batistuta. He's on his way.
Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, Red, he sorted that out. The
With time running out, they have to get the ball in the penalty box, and if it means a long punt, then so be it. They've got to give themselves a chance.
Azar going. It's Azar! Stop. Wasn't easy.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Header! Goal! And with that goal comes comfort. Just so calm under pressure.
Cristiano Ronaldo demonstrated great strength there. I mean, he really had to hold his man off and just create enough room for him to be able to get the shot away. And I think it's just top play.
Batistuta! Oh, it just wouldn't sit for him.
Well, that was inventive and speculative, but the thought process was a little slicker than the attempt.
Cristiano Ronaldo. It's a loose ball. And that is it. The referee has seen enough. East win via a very competent performance. Without doubt, they were the better side. The result reflects as much. You look back on the game.
You know, I went on a couple dates and all that stuff. And I went away from it thinking, you know, I still have a lot of time.